Hi and welcome to Treasuring. Today we're going to learn how to decrease double crochet stitches. The very simple way to decrease is to simply skip a stitch and then double crochet into the next one. However, you'll be left with a little gap. If you are using very fine wool, you may not notice that, but ideally we don't want to have a gap in our decrease. So let's undo that and I'll show you how to do an invisible decrease. This is also called double crochet 2 together, or sometimes your pattern will say double crochet decrease. So we start off like a normal double crochet. Yarn over, insert, yarn over and pull through. We have 3 on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Now normally we would do yarn over, pull through 2 to complete the stitch, but instead we're going to move across to the next stitch and start another double crochet. So yarn over, insert, yarn over and pull through. We now have 4 on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2, and now we're going to complete it, yarn over and pull through 3. So if we have a look at the top of that, you can see there's just one stitch on top, one little V shape. And that's it, that's our decrease. I'll do one more with you. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, 3 on the loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Do not complete, we're going to move to the next one. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through. We have the 4, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 3. So that's 2 double crochet decreases that we've done there, and that's how easy it is. Thanks for watching. See you next time.